Hey guys, Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise, talking to you today from Seattle, Washington. This is my hometown and I'm so happy to be back and hang out with friends and family. I wanted to give you my 3 tips for location independence as a business owner, someone who's making plenty of money in their business. Number 1, make sure that you are always booking comfortable accommodations. There's nothing worse than showing up somewhere in a crappy hotel or taking coach. So make sure you're booking good hotel rooms and that you are booking business class flights wherever you go. Number 2, make sure you're having somebody run your business for you as you travel so that you don't have to run all the BS yourself constantly, deal with all the nightmares and the fires and stuff like that. Hire virtual assistants in the Philippines. They're cheap and they do the work. And lastly, make sure that you're staying healthy. Drink plenty of water, guys and gals, and make sure that you are eating good food. Pay a little bit of extra money for healthy food and stuff like that. And don't drink too much. And if you do drink wine. It's not that bad. All right, guys, if you want my free course on location independence, click the link below and I'll see you inside.